is leadership and evaluation in management? Leadership in management is the ability to influence, direct, motivate, and manage a team to achieve organizational goals, while leadership evaluation aims to assess the effectiveness of the leader in carrying out this role and determine whether its leadership style is appropriate or needs to be improved.
A leader motivates by inspiring, encouraging, and guiding others to achieve goals. Common motivation theories. 1. Maslow. People are motivated by fulfilling needs from basic physical to the highest self-actualization. 2. E.R.G. Alderfer. Motivation comes from three needs: existence, relationship, and growth. 3. Atkinson and Maxland. People are driven by achievement, affiliation, and power. 4. Hesberg. Motivation at work depends on motivators that increase satisfaction and hygiene factor that prevent dissatisfaction.
Communication and function communication in leadership. Communication in leadership is a process interaction between leaders and members to building relationship to achieve common goals. Communication function, they are informative, regulative, persuasive, and integrative.
The purpose of communication in leadership: A. Establishing harmonious interaction and relationship within the organization. B. Facilitating coordination among members within the organization. C. Enabling leaders to observe and evaluate the organization based on feedback from its members. Form of communication in leadership. The first, downward communication. 2. Upward communication. 3. Horizontal communication. 4. Diagonal communication.
Compliance in leadership and evaluation in management. Compliance management is an ongoing process to ensure an organization complies with information security laws and standards through identification, assessment, implementation of control, and monitoring. Compliance creates a positive organizational culture, strengthens trust among members, and prevents conflict and abuse of authority. Compliance leadership an example and build trust within the team.
In a company, the role of a leader is very important because they determine the direction of the team's work. Good leaders are usually able to motivate, guide, and give the team room to express their opinions. For example, when a company tries a new work system and provide training, the result is that the team works faster and employees feel more appreciated. Even so, there are still challenges, such as the adaptation process, technical risks, and difference of opinion within the team. Do you know what business ethic and social responsibility are? In this video, I will explain a little about business ethic and social responsibility. Don't worry guys, we will discuss it quickly. Business ethics are rules or moral guidelines that govern how a business is run honestly, fairly, and responsibly without harming any party. Social responsibility describes a situation where a company not only thinks about profit, but also considers its impact on the community and the surrounding environment.
Basic principle of business ethic and the importance of ethic in business. Basic principle of business ethic, they are honesty, integrity, fairness, loyalty, and autonomy. The importance of ethic in business, namely building a good reputation, attractive investors and talent, improving a positive work environment, and supporting long-term success.
Application of business ethic in companies. The company conducts its business in accordance with norms, moral values, and regulation for employees, consumer, the community, and the environment. A. Honesty and transparency. B. Social responsibility. C. Fairness and equal treatment. D. Rejecting corruption and bribery. E. Protecting the environment. F. Caring for employees.
Principles of social responsibility: responsibility, transparency, ethical behavior, respect for stakeholders' interests, compliance with the law, respect for human rights, and sustainability. The benefit of corporate social responsibility (CSR) for companies: 1. Improving corporate reputation. 2. Increasing customer loyalty. 3. Improving employee motivation and productivity. 4. Reducing business risks and conflict. 5. Increasing investor trust and support. 6. Creating competitive advantage.
Implementation of corporate social responsibility. The first, responsibility to the environment. Companies must protect the environment and reduce negative impact of their operation. 2. Responsibility to employees. Companies must ensure the welfare, safety, and rights of employees. 3. Responsibility to consumers. Companies must offer safe, quality product and be honest in marketing. 4. Responsibility to the community. Companies should support the welfare and development of the surrounding community. And the last 5. Responsibility to the government. Companies must comply with all laws and regulations.
The relationship between business ethics and social responsibility. The relationship between business ethics and social responsibility is very close, as both contribute to ensuring that business activities do not solely pursue profit, but also consider moral values, community welfare, and environmental sustainability. The conclusion is, business ethics ensure that companies act honestly, fairly, and responsibly. Social responsibility emphasizes that companies should not only seek profit, but also care for society and the environment. The two are interrelated and, when implemented, will enhance reputation and trust, as well as benefit all parties.